Hello everyone, it's me Adrita Banika, a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but I also study in Shahid Birutam Lieutenant Anwar Girls College. Today I'll talk about the necessity of English in our life and why I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning. First of all, we all know that English is an international language and it's the most commonly spoken language all over the world. English helps us in our higher education and for getting good jobs. We can meet new people and we can work with many international organizations if we have a good command in English. And I think Mohsin Smart English Learning is a perfect course where we all can learn English very perfectly. It helps me a lot in my life, and I think in my future it will help me a lot too. Here we learn how to talk fluently with perfect pronunciation, with perfect grammatical sentences and so on. So I think English is very important for our life, and Mohsin Smart English Learning is helping me a lot to become good in English. Thank you.